This morning we are at, well, we're not at sea, we're at river. This place is Oberwinter. We pass. I like that they put up somewhere. I can see it. Where is it? There. Oh, it's a bit blurred. Oberwinter. Oh, there we are. You can see it now. Oberwinter. Oh, I love this relaxing cruising along the river. We've just had breakfast. I did put Do Not Disturb on my cabin because the cabin stewards, they're very thorough. And I'd quite like to spend some time on this lovely Juliet balcony. So I did put Do Not Disturb on just so I could come back in. I don't expect them to service my room today. It's very nice here. All there's people on the little beach there. Ooh. I think they're people? Yes. This is so lovely. Relaxing. It's a lot cooler today as well. Last few days have been quite hot. What are these? Little ferry terminals. Yeah. Boat trips, I guess. Oh, there's a train there in the background. This looks like a boatyard here, doesn't it? Oh, they're working on boats there. Looks like the road is behind. Oh, some new buildings coming here. Very new buildings. Well, that's not. That's like a castle in between there. Well, not castle. A castle kind of designed building. These very new buildings. Flats, one of them, and offices, I guess the other. Oh, the reflections are lovely today. There's people on like a river path there, walking along, or watching us. There. It's just a lovely morning. Got a brief at 10 o'clock about disembarkation tomorrow. And then we arrive in Cologne at about 12:30 during lunch. And then this afternoon at 2, I think we're getting off and going for a chocolate factory tour. I think it's the Lindt Chocolate Factory. So that should be nice. Lindt chocolate, you can't go wrong. Delicious. I'd love to live in one of these. Actually, not those ones that are facing that way, but the one over here facing to the river. I'd just sit on my balcony all day watching the river traffic go by. There's like a car ferry here to go across the river. We're in its way. I do like that they don't have loads of bridges, they just have loads of ferries like this. I love sitting and watching these barge ships go past. There's so many of them in Europe on the European rivers. And then some of them have a car on the back. Oh, this one doesn't. It has a boat. So it's a ship.
We are hoping you were satisfied with our services on board and our hospitality. Yeah.